Hello, welcome to today's lesson. Ladies say all men are the same. That is very true. All men are the same. All men has this one object, a very dangerous object, which starts with the letter P. Ladies, ladies, I know you know it. I know you know this object which starts with the letter P. The only difference is how long it is, how many inches it is. That's the only difference. But this object is very dangerous. Ladies, you know it. You know it. Yeah, that's why we say all men are the same, because they have that object. Let me call it device. Let me call it machine. Very dangerous. Man, if you don't use it wisely, your account will go zero. Let's stop there. Now, there is another thing ladies say, that men are dogs. Men are dogs. Very true. Men are like dogs. You know, when you have a dog at your home, but that dog stays freely, you don't lock it on the same spot, and that dog sense that there is another dog, a female dog from the next village, and that dog is on hit, this dog will definitely go to look for that dog which is on hit. Yeah. The same case to men. When man comes across a very beautiful lady, let's say on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and that lady is very far. Let's assume that lady is from another village, not even village, from another city, not city, from another state, from another country, from another continent. The man will definitely go to look for that lady. And you say men are like dogs. No, men are dangerous, more dangerous than dogs. Even if other planets there is life, let's assume Mars, Pluto, Venus, let's assume there is life and there are beautiful ladies there, a man will take a rocket from Earth and go to that planet to look for that beautiful lady. And you say men are like dogs. No, very wrong, guys. You're very wrong. Men are dangerous, more dangerous than dogs. Are we together? Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we close this lesson, ladies say all men are the same. They also say all men are dogs. Now, homework. No, and you come and answer on the and come please answer it on the comment section. All women are. If all men are dogs, if all men are the same, all women are. Please answer on the comment section. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you.